And I want to warn you, if you miss any of the tips I share with you in this video, it's going to be the reason you don't begin to earn more money with Doordash. Let's get right into it. One, don't take orders that are negative miles to money ratio. If you take a look at this offer right here, you got $9.25 for 6.7 miles. Now you might think that's a good offer, but it ain't. Times 2, that's a 13-mile round trip. You can't expect it to go up. That's a bad offer. You cannot make money with offers like that. That's how important it is to cherry pick. Take a look at this offer right here. You got $4.01 for 6.6 miles. That is a 13-mile round trip for $4. You will literally lose money on offers like that. Tip number 2, you want to make sure you implementing all the tips, because if you skip just one, it's going to be the reason you don't begin to earn more money. Not only with Doordash, but with Uber Eats and Grubhub. My next tip, multi-app. If you look here, I got Uber going on this phone, and I also got Doordash going on this phone. You want to make sure that you multi-app. It's been proven that people who multi-app make more money in less amount of time and with less wear and tear on their car. If you take a look here, I got my Solo app open. Solo is an app that I use to maximize my earnings. It keeps track of all the different gig apps I use. So using just this app, keep track of all the different gig apps that I use. You want to make sure you maximize it by multi-app. The next tip is super important. You want to make sure you maximize it on shop and delivers. Shop and delivers are going to be some of the most profitable orders you can get while doing food delivery. We here at Walgreens now, we got a shop and deliver order, $10.25 for 5 miles. Shop and delivers are only depending on how long you take to shop the items. Let's go get this order done. I'm gonna show you how quick it is. As you can see there, I got all that shopping done in 3 minutes. That's what you want to do. You want to maximize. Shop and delivers are your most profitable because you decide how much time you take. Now, before we tie our last and final bonus tip, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to smash that subscribe button. I need you to smash that like button if you're getting value out of this video. And to get right to it, make sure you take care of your valuable customers. Your regulars, the people who those all the time, every time you go out and you dash, you hit these same customers. Make sure you're taking care of these customers. Make sure you go in the extra mile, take care of them. Not all customers you want to go the extra mile for, but those repeat customers, you want to make sure you're taking care of them, because these are where you make most of your money with. I see time and time again, over and over, Dashers ignoring their repeat customers. Make sure you take care of your valuable customers.